if you were Greeks now and I'd said I'll leave that in my will, you would say, no, don't say it. No, you'll never die. What do you mean I'll never die? I'm not Methuselah or whoever it is.
Oh, marvelous.
Spin the piece. I see a bay tree.
Ah. Well, I bet we're going to run into something here. Yeah. Could be. Yes.
Look, I was just finding one.
Such a beautiful day, isn't it? Help conserve the resources.
Oh, they're the trail master.
Right, so they're right there. Yeah, voila.
Is this what you meant by maps?
Is this open?
That's it.
That looks like a trail map to me.
Yes.
I hear a bird call. Oh, it's very nice to take.
You know what I didn't bring was my field glasses because I didn't. Anybody else want one? Here.
Listen to that.
Oh,
Now,
listen to
somebody
that.
other than me would know what that bird is, but I have no idea. Somebody else could. I don't know. I think I do, but keep looking.
Isn't this great?
The
This is
trail
like the
is
great,
well
great
marked.
green breezy Limpopo River. Well, shall we?
Yeah, there is a sign.
Look at the teeny.
Is that French?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Probably not.
It's not algae, right?
Oh my God, I've never seen this covered with that.
In New Jersey.
Never.
I better get some ducks in here.
Mow it up, mow it, mow it all.
Tiny little red.
You
Isn't
wanna
that
toss some
beautiful?
here?
What is that?
Tiny little.
Berry.
Little bayberry.
that's
or
wintergreen,
something. That's something
isn't it?
to-
That's
oh,
wintergreen.
So pretty.
You know that where we used to make those little terrariums.
Fuzzy?
You can buy them
This
at
way lies
Christmas and they
mountain.
put that in it. Or is it wintergreen or berry? I don't know. I love them.
That's all I wanted to know.
Well, it's definitely penetrable.
That wasn't the sweet gum swamp.
Hedges out of rosemary in France.
Those are your leaves that go with it. Yeah. They're not listening. Roanoke, a moderate hike, which means it's a little more up and down, 1.5 miles. Nags Head Town, another moderate hike, 1.5 miles.
So where are those trails?
Well, we just didn't, we turned off, so they're not exactly labeled. Oh, here, okay.
There's the center.
They all have numbers. Sweet
So we're
Gum
on-
Swamp is number 2.
Yes, that's
think
where
that's
we're
where
on.
we are, yeah.
Mhm. Now, how do we find 3? Or no, actually, we don't want 3. We want 4 or 5. Will we come in? Will we
I think
see those?
didn't we pass a marker that said 6 or something? Am I mistaken?
I don't know.
I didn't see it, but it might well have been there.
Here it says 4. Okay. 4, but they're numbering them as we go along. Now,
I don't think those numbers.
that may be note 4.
Note number
I
4.
think it's the blue that tells us we're on that particular trail. Does it say anything about the color? Huh. This is the one we almost
Here we
always
go.
take, but
the center trail a short way and bear left at the marker.
I think we did that.
Mm-hmm.
That's Sweet Gum Swamp.
I think.
No, I think these are swamps.
Oh, this is Sweet Gum Swamp.
Sweet Gum
That
Swamp.
must be down there.
Okay,
So here's Central Trail going that way.
Now what does it say about Central Trail? Nothing.
That's the quarter mile.
Oh, that's the quarter
easy
mile.
walk. So should we choose that? Number one.
I think I detect interest.
Why not?
Don't forget it.
That's the name of the tree.
Making a nice sound.
More like a, they have lots of look at all these trees at the top.
Oh my God, you're right. It just really isn't a pine cone. No,
And the
this is from,
Yeah.
it's some from some deciduous.
Oh, or is it a, but don't these trees look gorgeous?
They've got their buds.
How beautiful.
I think that they look like what is on sycamore trees, but I don't see any sycamore trees here.
I-
so
Sycamore
you must
trees
be right.
have puffy ones.
Yeah.
The Christmas ornament, that's what we did with walnut shells. Yeah, these are big.
Is there anything worth cooking that we have to do?
Some point in your life,
I always take a few in my pockets.
yes.
Shame on me, shame.
These are bay leaves.
See it. These are bay leaves.
This reminds me of, have you ever been to Jeanne?
With the bridge.
And it's so small. I mean, it's, yes.
Yes, I know I haven't been.
It's very, it's amazingly small, and when you see these incredible Monets of Jeanne
It makes it seem so large.
it's, and then you get to it, and it's a little pond with a couple of bridges right next to the road.
This is much more elaborate.
Yes.
I mean, when he could.
And also the
Make-
power of
make
the image, how everybody knows about Jeanne.
Sure, you're giving her your. That's not too bad.
But you don't get this and assume that I work for the... Everything's used, this tree. What did they use it for? I don't know. Something lives in there, but I don't know what it is.
And you don't want to know.
I don't
But
want
the
to
tree
know.
itself is not well.
Oh, but no, it's not. But look what an interesting and weird look it has.
Yes.
In fact, it may fall on us at any minute. Let's get out of here.
That's right. That's right. Whoever living in there is eating it out. Up before the close.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yes.
Ah, look at the nice fungi.
Come back with my camera.
Or Bahamas.
No, you know,
Well, look at
I
the
have
one.
Miami.
Wow,
bad.
that's pretty.
Have you ever met any interesting passengers?
some very interesting women I've met.
Yeah.
But no man,
What else
there are no
Yeah.
single man ever on these cruises.
Really?
Except for one cute little man who was Irish. A little funny man who was at my table, and he was, his wife had died 6 months before, after 50 years of marriage, and his children insisted he take a cruise. And I enjoyed him no end. So he told me as he was leaving, now when you come to Ireland, you look me up in Limerick. And I told him I would. I liked him because he was really Irish the way you read about, and that when there's a little laundromat on every floor, and I headed in there with a load of clothes, and he was just coming out, and we bumped into each other, and he went, "Faith and Begorra," and embraced me. I thought, people really do say "Faith and Begorra."
I thought it was just in the movie.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
But you
heavenly.
didn't fancy him.
Well, no,
Does anybody? Does,
Nobody cares.
I'm the one. I care. I'm gonna go see if I can find a
Tadpole.
Yeah.
Is there a tadpole there?
Well, something is
When nature makes
bubbly.
one, she makes another and another and another.
Yes, there's various little. They may be flies, but
Pullulating in there. No.
out here.
We're doing the half mile. Roanoke is another mile.
Uh-huh. I know that one with the little beach, and it is pretty. Well, this is a good children's question, but I don't know the answer. What do you think form is? Isn't it? Yeah.
It's very.
Look at that with the light on it.
Initially.
Yeah. You'd think it would be nice, wouldn't it, if there was some more ducks?
Now, where do we go now? I'm just wondering if
Fire hydrant, I think it's the fire hydrant that we saw.
yes, and I think this is.
We're seeing if you look back the other way, area where that branch is.
Have we? But we're supposed to end up at,
It looked too small for a
at,
beaver, but I know
Dunwoody.
what you mean. I've seen
We
beavers.
just walked over them.
Oh, I thought they meant the actual sand dunes, because one of them does lead there.
Right there where the sign was, it
Yeah.
said, do you know how?
That was
That
telling us
was
that
the
was the
dune
dune
ridge.
ridge. Well, then, I see. So we won't get onto actual.
Well,
Maybe
but,
then we should-
and under the leaves, it was
There was
only
sand.
sand.
Oh, trees, you're beautiful. Look, these are really beginning to get so beautiful. God, the skies are blue. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Hello.
Oh yes, my gosh, look at that. Your love is brilliant. Do it again, bird.
Never on demand. Never on. Oh.
There's another one over there.
And look at the red maple coming out, the tiny leaves right in front of us.
Oh yes, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
That tree gets a lot of sun, so it gets,
Comes early,
farther
maybe.
out.
Well, we saw one red card.
Kind of trees and stuff.
Oyster Reef.
Oh, this is another place. This is somewhere else. Oyster shell recycling. Oh. I see. Okay. Oh, this is interesting.
See.
Interesting.
Oh.
Maybe that's my driveway.
And now you're being recorded here. It's going to be on the internet.
I'm gonna take it home.
But how cute. What are you doing with that piece of
Actually, I don't think I will.
Oh, come on, Hope. Do it.
I think it's true.
I don't know.
Ask
You think it
somebody.
has critters in
You
it?
can take it home. I mean, I don't mind putting it in
Too
my
heavy.
car.
It's very heavy.
Mr.
You know what?
Uh-huh.
If you don't take it, somebody else will.
There is a thought.
Oh yeah, I think they leave it here. You can take them. It doesn't
Well,
say
maybe
do not
so.
touch.
Yeah, maybe so. Why not? Yeah.
Take it.
You can
Well,
make,
in that
you
case,
can make
open
garden
the
seats
trunk.
out of these.
Yes, we
This
will.
is a rental car, isn't it? Okay, open the trunk and I'm gonna put my jacket down in there and put
No, because
log.
really, I'm telling you, I've done this to some clothes with carrying Christmas trees. You do not want pine sap on your jacket.
Okay. You're right, because it is fine. My best
And
trigger
Jeanne is
finger.
recording every end of the
Well, you know what?
famous
Those
death.
yellow bins over there.
Oh, do you pick up the beliefs?
That's a recycle for the oyster shells.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes, absolutely.
Shells.
And then I guess they use it for
Jeanne has
some
it.
fertilizer. No,
This is like this. I'll get around the other side.
They have a bear, and down there there's a train that goes by,